Can the Kotak SmartLife plan truly help you build long-term wealth while protecting your family's future, or is it just another insurance product with limited investment potential? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a participating non-linked life insurance individual savings product. Some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life insurance protection up to the age of 75 years. It offers you the flexibility to choose between two bonus options like cash payout or paid up additions. It enables you to receive the selected bonus option from the end of the first policy year, either monthly or annually. And it allows you to enhance your coverage with optional riders by paying an additional premium. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So it allows a one-time switch from the cash payout option to the paid up addition option on any policy anniversary during the policy term. It offers you premium discounts for higher sum assured policies and for female policyholders. It also provides you with the option to avail a policy loan of up to 50% of the policy surrender value, which are subjected to the policy terms. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well. Like the sum assured may not be adequate to meet the family's essential financial needs. The returns are suboptimal for a long-term investment. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to understand before taking the decision to invest in this policy. Now, as you have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis, which is basically calculating the internal rate of return of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us understand and make a more informed decision. So here, for example purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has purchased this policy with a sum assured of 10.35 lakhs, a 40-year policy term, and an annual premium of 94,140 rupees payable for 10 years. The maturity benefit includes vested bonuses with projections based on assumed investment return of 4 and 8%. These are only for example purposes. They are neither guaranteed or nor indicative of the actual returns. This is just to show you how this policy can perform at worst and best case scenario. At 4% projected rate, the projected maturity benefit is 24.73 lakhs, which translates to an IRR of just 2.29% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is lower than the interest earned on many savings accounts. At an 8% per annum, the projected maturity benefit is 69.18 lakhs, which results in an IRR of 5.34% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is lower than the returns typically offered by bank fixed deposits. Even after a 40-year investment horizon, the plan delivers returns that are unlikely to outpace inflation, limiting its ability to create long-term wealth. At the same time, the life cover remains to be insufficient to provide adequate financial protection for a family. As this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative strategy returns. So here, instead of investing in insurance and investment under a single combined policy, we are going to invest in both components separately to see whether that can yield us better returns. And also, we are going to take up similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So here, for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with 11 lakh sum assured, which cost us approximately 16,700 rupees per year, whereas the Kotak policy charged an annual premium of 94,140 rupees for a 10.35 lakh sum assured. So by investing the annual premium savings according to your risk tolerance, you can potentially accumulate a substantially larger corpus over time. If you are a conservative investor, you can invest the surplus in a public provident fund (PPF), and after accounting for the PPF's 15-year investment cycle and reinvestment over the policy term, the corpus grows to approximately 1.04 crore, delivering an IRR of 6.58%. For investors with a higher risk appetite, investing in the surplus in an equity mutual fund will result in a corpus of around 5.09 crore over 40 years, even after capital gains sales tax, the post-tax value is approximately 4.47 crore, which generates an IRR of 11.04%. So if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column for this purpose on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this comparison highlights that separating insurance and investment can provide both adequate life cover and significantly better long-term wealth creation. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Kotak SmartLife plan worth it or not? This is a traditional endowment policy that offers flexibility in how you receive your benefits. You may opt for periodic survival income or allow the payouts to accumulate and receive them as a lump sum at maturity. While this flexibility may be appealing, the plan fundamentally remains a low return endowment policy. Our analysis indicates that the plan generates modest returns that are unlikely to keep pace with inflation or even support long term wealth creation, and it also has a high agent commission. Moreover, the sum assured is relatively low and may not provide adequate financial protection for your family's future financial needs. As a result, this plan falls short on both investment performance and insurance coverage. And what would be an effective strategy is to separate insurance from investment. You can choose a pure term insurance policy to secure adequate life cover at a relatively low cost and invest the premium savings in a diversified portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment horizon. This approach offers the potential for stronger long-term wealth creation while ensuring sufficient financial protection. So rather than relying on traditional insurance cum investment products, adopting a goal-based investment strategy can significantly improve your chances of achieving your financial objectives.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.